New to 3D printing? Start here, the complete beginner's family guide. Have you just bought a 3D printer, or are you thinking about getting one for your child or grandchild? Maybe you've watched a few YouTube videos and suddenly found yourself overwhelmed by unfamiliar terms like slices, pla, bed leveling and G-code. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The good news is that learning 3D printing doesn't have to be difficult. That's exactly why I created 3D Printing Made Easy, a beginner's guide for parents and young makers. This book has been written especially for complete beginners, so you don't need any previous experience or technical knowledge. Instead of confusing jargon, you'll learn everything in simple, easy-to-follow language that parents and children can work through together. Inside the guide you'll discover exactly how a 3D printer works, how to choose the right beginner settings, why pla filament is the perfect material to start with, and the essential safety rules every family should know before printing. You'll also learn how to find beginner-friendly models, prepare them in a slicer, troubleshoot common printing problems, and successfully complete your very first print with confidence. But this isn't just another instruction manual. It's designed to make learning fun. The book includes 3 exciting starter projects: a personalized keyring, a dinosaur fossil and an articulated snake, that help young makers build confidence while creating something they can be proud of. After completion of these tasks there is a short quiz to test knowledge gained and a certificate to fill in. Every chapter also includes practical parent tips, fun challenges for children, and clear instructions that explain each stage of the printing process, making it ideal for families, teachers and home educators. Whether you're setting up your very first printer or simply want to avoid the frustration that many beginners experience, this guide will help you get started the right way. So if you're ready to turn ideas into real creations and enjoy one of the most exciting hobbies available today, click the link in bio and download 3D Printing Made Easy. Start building confidence, one layer at a time.